L'Oréal Paris Elvive Hyaluron Plump Shampoo and Conditioner Set for Dehydrated, Dry Hair with Hyaluronic Acid Care Complex. 1 kit, 2 products. 72H Intense Moisture Hair Care. Hyaluron Plump Shampoo and Conditioner Set gently cleanses and detangles while instantly hydrating and moisturizing to rep plump dry hair for up to 72 hours. For bouncy, free-flowing shiny hair. Hair products inspired by skincare. This dry hair treatment is infused with 2% Hyaluronic Care Complex for 2x hydration and replenished moisture. From a skincare brand. Freshly scented with berries, cherry blossom, vanilla, and sandalwood. Hydrating routine for dry and dehydrated hair. Gently cleanse with paraben-free Elvive shampoo. Prime with flash hydration wonder water. Then apply hair conditioner to detangle and moisturize. Finish with replumping serum to revitalize hair. Custom hair care solutions for all hair types, from expertly formulated hair treatments, masks and serums to nourishing leave-in conditioners and frizz-defying shampoo and conditioner. We've got what you need. L'Oréal Paris Innovation. We are a total beauty care company that combines the latest in technology with the highest in quality for the ultimate in hair color, hair care, hairstyle, skincare, and cosmetics. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel, and hit the bell so you never miss more awesome content.